Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a text on a video in CapCut. Since nowadays CapCut has been a very popular editing app lately, and most people, especially TikTokers, has been using it to edit it. So you will learn how to add text on a video in CapCut. So in today's video I'm going to show you can do all that by using CapCut. And the steps are quite actually simple. Simply start by opening your CapCut. And now that your CapCut is open, you can see that we have our recent videos we once worked on. So let's simply start by opening new project. And now that the new project is open, you can see that we have been given the option to select the video you would like to add a text on. So simply select the one you like. Simply come and then click on the text button. And now as you can see you have been given so many tools to work with, so simply come and then click on the add text button. And now as you can see you have been given the option to add in your text. And now after doing so, you can see that you have been given the option to adjust the text size, and its timeline, and if you wanted, you can adjust or choose the text style. To do that, simply come and then click on Style. And now as you can see we have so many styles to select from. So from now on you can even choose how many styles you would like to work with. So from now on you can add a text on your video however you want. And if you wanted, you would go back and then get it back to normal. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe.